Today, we're kicking off a two-part series on creating a gorgeous fabric sample book using a RedShift laser cutting machine. In part 1, we'll focus on cutting delicate fabrics like polyester and lacework, perfect for curtains or roller blinds. So, let's jump right into the laser cutting process. Our first step is to work with thin fabrics. The laser cutting process ensures precision and finesse, making it ideal for creating a professional-looking fabric sample book. To keep things organized, we're using the laser to record crucial information directly on the fabric. Next, we use the laser to cut small holes along the edges of our fabric. The laser ensures clean and precise holes, making the binding process hassle-free. And then, the laser cutter follows the outline pattern to cut the fabric into the desired sample book size. This step provides us with the perfect outer contour for our fabric sample book. Now that we've mastered the laser cutting process with our polyester and lacework blend, let's take it up a notch. We're going to repeat the same steps with various other thin fabric patterns. This not only showcases the versatility of the laser cutting machine but also allows you to create a diverse and visually appealing fabric sample book. Laser cutting of fabrics presents numerous advantages in various industries. Its exceptional precision allows for intricate patterns and delicate fabric handling. Versatility is a key asset, accommodating a wide range of fabric types, from natural fibers to synthetics. The process also seals edges, minimizing fraying and eliminating the need for additional finishing. Laser cutting proves efficient and swift, significantly reducing production time and waste. Automation ensures reproducibility and consistency, making it ideal for large-scale manufacturing. The method's non-contact nature contributes to no tool wear. Additionally, laser cutting enables the creation of intricate designs, offering a valuable tool in fashion and textile design.